Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys. Good morning. You shut the TV off. Look. Our lunch. Gumawa ako this morning ng egg salad. Huh? We need to eat that. We're not gonna go out nowhere and getting some food. Cannot just keep going out. Hard hit itong asawa ko talaga. Pagkatigas ng ulo mo na, nag-high blood na ako ha. Dala tayo ng pagkain para hindi na tayo lalabas sa mga restaurant at bili-bili pa ng mga pizza at sadiri. Gusto yun maghanap ng problema. Kaluka. And I still have to get gas because my sasakyan is half tank na lang siya. Food dito. Para hindi siya Oh. Ayan. Punta lang kami sa isang bahay para kunin yung mga meal namin doon. And then, punta din kami sa Long Island kasi itong asawa ko hindi mabuhay pag walang sabi pa niya. Sabi ko, importante natin bayaran yung mga bill. Sabi pa niya, this is one of my priority. What? Priority doon yan yung cigarette. Wow! Nalupa ng kalibutan ito. So, anyway. So, yun siya. The priority is yung sigarilyo. Sabi ko sa kanya, bahala ka na Basta kay wag mo akong mahirap na ngayong panahon. Walang trabaho. Hindi natin alam kung makabalik. No, hindi na talaga alam kung makabalik. Ay, naku, parang last niyang update sa trabaho, yung mga liter ba sa mga employee. I hope I will see you soon. So that means walang pag-asa sa mundo. Open ko lang itong garage. And let's go guys. We got the gas. People are wearing gloves. My husband just said, I'm gonna use paper towel.
Yeah.
Because that's who he is.
My gloves that don't fit me so good. I got you gloves, I didn't get me gloves. I don't even find them. That's large gloves.
Like the biggest one.
Because they don't fit all.
Let's go. First, guys, we are going to the house to pick up some meal, and then we're going to wait.
Pick up the other pads.
Huh?
Pick up the other pads.
Yeah, and also wait for his friend to call us because of his cigarette that it's very priority instead of the bill that we have. The same price here, $2.33.
Yeah.
Did you close the thing? Like, it's open, hon.
It's open.
The gas tank. Oh, it's open. Did you have brush?
I do.
Use your brush, please.
Just say, huh?
I'm trying to say you need to brush your.
It's hard in this car.
Seriously, honey, it's hard in this car. What do you need? A higher roof?
Practically touches the roof.
God. You need a car that have a high ceiling.
Yes.
High ceiling. Anyway, guys, I will see you home because I'm going to bitch about this smoking.
Yes, she is.
I'm going to shut the camera off because I'm going to start bitching. Honey, stop smoking. You're gonna kill your wife. That's what you wanted, right? You wanna kill your wife? He's trying to kill me because he's going to find another wifey.
You're trying to call Maria. Well, they'll deliver it. I told you, Yes, my wife is annoying and she wants you to know that. That's it, no?
Do you know what, honey? You know, Nako talaga.
Sounds accurate.
Did it?
Ah!
This
And
guy
she
is...
keeps going over the lines.
The driver is cray. Yeah. It's not, he should be here if he turned like there.
Yeah, well, he didn't realize it until after. Kind of like you yesterday.
Okay, so you pick up. How much you got?
500. 500.
You got 500? Why 500?
Because the cigarettes will be at least 300.
Okay, so he got 500 even though we have a car payment. Did you pay the last month?
Yeah, so.
Oh, they're gonna take my car away. Hey, they're going. Did you wash your hand? Did you touch every shit? Okay, you do it because I'm driving.
Keep saying that.
Han, where we can find the yellow
It's right
bushes?
there.
Where we? I know it's right.
Where can you find them? They're right there.
I mean, I want that in our house. I want that. Can we get that?
I have no idea what kind of bushes they are, but I guess we could.
I want that, please. Can we find out what's the name? Where's your car? Oh, I forgot. I forgot, baby. I forgot,
I
baby.
need to feed these birds on here too.
Squirrel, oh.
He's waiting, looking for food. Why? Are you going to the other place? Well, you were there. Yeah. Yeah, don't sweat it. Whatever it is, it's fine. I don't know. If I slow down, hopefully that'll last me, a couple months, 3 months. All right, man. Yeah, I'll head out and I'll head out in a little bit and I'll give you a shout.
Yung buhok ko, itong bangs ko, guys, parang nag-wavy doon. Parang nag-glitter siya pa ganun ba doon. Ganun, but anyway. So, bahala na si Bangs. Nandito kami sa bahay. Kumakain na kami ng lunch. And we are heading to Long Island para i-meet yung kaibigan niya. Ang dry ng skin ko talaga. Itong lotion, maganda to. Ito yung gamit ko noon, guys, St. Ives. Matagal na to dito. Hindi ko lang dinala sa bahay. Kaibiyanan is, ano yun? Lotion niya, Jergens. Andun sa bathroom, dalawa. Iba-iba kami lotion yung andito pa ako. So, ito siya. Ito yung gamit ko, St. Ives. Yun talaga. Ang tagal ni Tami. Uy, ginuok ko. Parang babae itong si Tami. Diretso na daw kami sa bahay. Pagkatapos sa Long Island, diretso na. Hindi na kami mag-stop dito. She's so cute.
Yeah, okay.
It looks good on you.
No, it does not.
It looks good on you.
She's a little fatty.
It looks good on you.
She looks good. Diamond! Come here! Oh, look at her.
Up. Come here. Come on. Come here.
Look.
Diamond.
Go, your mama called you. Come.
Come up. Up.
She's so
Trying to
cute,
make her
honey.
jump from Marianne's video.
No, I mean
The
to
other
the,
day she
to
ran
the
into the
street.
street because there was another dog coming up the side of the street and she took off and Thomas was out here, so I made him run after her because there's no way I would have caught her. She's like, car, go for a ride. 12, 13
Really?
by now.
Wow.
We got her. Yeah, she's got to be 12. She was 7 when we got her about 5 years ago. Like it was.
Hello, what are you doing here? Are you going with us? Are you going with us? Look at this, guys. They just came up here. Hi. Hello. Hello, baby. Hi, baby. Hello, baby.
Of course, as soon as she sees me, I can't get my camera out. She's like,
Come over to you. Look at this. Look at. Tignan niyo, guys. Tignan niyo, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, Hansi, she just jumped all over the place.
yeah, she knows she belongs in the back seat.
Look at that.
And she smells your dogs.
Yeah. Look.
So where are they? I smell it, but I don't see them.
Are you coming down? Are you going down? Look. Smart dog. Anyway guys, we just left from my sister-in-law's house. The social distancing, it doesn't work with Tommy. He is very unhappy guys. Drive here. Huh?
Hello? Pretty Rich.
Where are you?
Shelter Rock Road a minute.
So we are here. Well, actually we're not here yet. We're looking for a gasoline station to meet Tommy's friend. Please tell him I don't want virus. He's here. Yeah. Okay.
Pen.
Huh?
Pen. Thank you.
Okay, you go to his car. You get his car.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, dito lang ako guys kasi ayaw ko ng virus. Baka may virus siya. Doon sila.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You're so bad.
I don't know. I forgot.
How many hours from here? Get your coffee. Hala.
This is weird.
We get there 5
We got Dunkin'
o'clock?
Donuts right here.
We get there 5 o'clock?
It's 3 o'clock now.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully I can drive this expressway guys. It's like crazy.
Just watch for cops.
To the left?
Yep. Which I get this, but what about that old guy who's walking with a young kid? Is he that stupid? These two older guys riding a bike by himself, got a mask. You know, he's getting to the next side, but
Yeah, there's no social distancing. I think this is their last walk. Because tomorrow it will be. Look at this guy filming. Because he said this is what happens, social distancing. People are walking, it's filming.
Get your hands up. 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 Get your hands. Get your hands. Get your hands. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We go. Here we go. Here we go. Go. We go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Here we go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. We go. We go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Here we go. Get your hands. We go. Hands up. We go. Hands up.
We're almost home pero we stop at ShopRite because ito naman yung ginagawa namin palagi. Kapag may gusto la bili-bili ba. So bibili lang si Tammy ng guys kasi gusto niyang gumawa ng Spanish rice again. So gusto niyang Spanish rice. So kaya bibili daw siya ng sofritos. ako guys. Hindi ako umiimik sa asawa ko kasi paksiw tayo guys. Salmon.
Keep staring at that chicken.
You're right.
I don't know what that means.
You're right. Kapo yun.
I don't know what that meant. You're right.
Guys, ito yung pagkain namin guys. Paksiw na salmon. Tignan nyo to. I-ano daw ito ni Tami. I-cut down niya to at saka ilagay sa sauce. And what else? Chicken. Kami lang dalawa pero ito hard-headed. Don't give me that look. And then ito yung ulam vegetables namin is the Brussels sprout. And there's another one right here who's so hungry. And he has his own plate, look. Psst, don't put your nose in there.
Do they eat?
Yeah, that's the first thing I do. And I don't know about the cat. So yun, we're going to eat guys. Kasi gutom na guys. It's 7:30 na, so we're going to eat. Okay. Tapos na kami. Wahan? Oh. So, tapos na kaming kumain na. We're looking for you. Anyway, guys. Naano lang ako kanina na nagagalit talaga ako sa isa kasi grabe kong makapagbili. Kami lang dalawa. It's already 8 o'clock, guys. And I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we're gonna say bye because now we'll start talking.
Bye, guys. Run.
I close it. My goodness. Okay, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.